Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share recruitment information from more than 8 different companies. Now, these are mostly like, except like maybe a couple of recruitments, these are mostly like single location based hiring, but good companies and good roles. First one, like Wipro. So there are like three different links. Okay, so all the apply links are given in the description below. So the first one, Wipro, they are hiring graduate engineer trainee for their Chennai location. Now for this role, you can expect a salary like close to 4 lakhs per annum. Now this is a typical software engineer role. Okay, so they have given like the purpose of this role is to design, test and maintain software programs for OS or applications which needs to be deployed at a client end and ensure it meets 100% quality assurance parameters and so on. Okay, so other than that, nothing much to say. Okay, so they have not given the selection process or specific eligibility criteria. So basically like engineering graduates from the recent batches like 2022, 2021, etc. can try applying for this. So this is like Chennai location, Wipro hiring graduate engineer trainee, right? Now, so that graduate engineer trainee that was posted in like just this week. Okay. Now, among the information that I'm going to share in this video, probably this is the oldest. Okay, this is probably like 10 days old. Okay, so there are two processor roles in Wipro. The first one that you are seeing now, okay, for this particular job ID. Now the location is like Gurugram and Chennai. And here the requirement they have mentioned like BCom, BA, BBA, BHM graduates from 2018 and 2019. Okay, so I don't understand what is the reason here, but this is a this was posted probably like 10 days back. Okay, so that is this was posted only like this month. Okay, so BCom, BA, BBA, BHM graduates from 2018, 2019 can apply for this. So what they have mentioned is okay, so 0 to 2 years work experience in back office or similar transaction processing, good computer operating skills, okay, like MS Office applications with the typing speed of minimum 25 words per minute with 90% accuracy. Okay, should demonstrate good written and verbal communication is what they have mentioned, and flexibility to work in like 5:30 p.m. to 3 a.m. shift. Okay, so and flexibility to work across different clients, willingness to sign a service level agreement. Okay, that is willingness to sign a service level agreement before overseas travel and assignment is what they have mentioned. Now here they have given like interview process will be like HR round, okay, and then like an online assessment, questions related to mathematics, reasoning, English, grammatical behavior, and then like operations round. Okay, so this is what they have mentioned, right? So BA, BBA, BCom graduates from 2018-2019 can try for this processor role. Now there is another processor role. Okay, now again Noida and Chennai. Now this was posted very recently, and this is more related to testing. Okay, so instrumental in understanding the test requirements and test case design of the product. Okay, so design and execute automation framework and reporting, etc. is what they have mentioned. Okay, but they have not specifically given like any academic criteria. Okay, so this is more related to this processor role is the second one. Okay, is more related to testing, but they have not mentioned any eligibility academic eligibility criteria. So you can just go through this, and if you find it suitable, you can apply. So that is about like Wipro, and all these are like direct Wipro careers page. The next one, Deloitte, this is also a recently posted information, September 16th. For their Coimbatore location, they are hiring for the role of like deputy manager. Now this is again repeatedly announced vacancy. So freshers are eligible to apply. So BCom, BCA, BBA can apply. So what you'll be basically doing here is assisting client in identifying and evaluating business and technology risks, internal controls which mitigate risks and related opportunities for internal control environment, assist in the section and tailoring of approaches, methods and tools to support service offering or industry projects, facilitate use of technology based tools or methodologies to review, design or implement products and services is what they have mentioned. So BCom, BBA and BCA So recently passed out candidates, okay, so 2022 2021 earlier batches, okay, so you can Coimbatore location, if you're interested, you can try for this, okay. And this is for MBA 2022 passed out, okay, so this was posted again like September 16th, Delhi location. So the designation is like senior executive MBA 2022 passed out with finance or equivalent specialization can apply for this particular role, okay. Okay, so the next one, which is like senior executive, right. There is one more opportunity for like the MBA graduates, as well as like any bachelor's degree. So Deloitte, now this is through the Unstaff portal. The earlier two were like direct links from Deloitte career space. Now this is the role of associate analyst for the Hyderabad location. The last date to apply is 8th of October. So what is given here, like who can apply any bachelor's degree with 0 to 1 year of experience on ERP or MS Office tools will be an added advantage, right. You can independently work and plan ahead and are flexible in adapting your schedule for urgent assignments. Good communication skills, self-motivator and independent is what they have mentioned. So Deloitte hiring associate analyst for the Hyderabad location. Those are interested can try. Next one, associate software engineer. So once again, like Sasken, they are hiring associate software engineer, and location is no single location is mentioned, okay. So this is probably a multi-location hiring. So engineering graduates and MCA graduates from 2022 2021, okay. So these two batches can apply, okay. So associate software engineer, so you should be like well versed with the programming language and should have done academic projects in the programming languages. You should have understanding and usage of IDE for development and understand the basics and standards. Has a good problem solving and reasoning good problem solving and reasoning skills to solve basic programming questions and implement the data structures and algorithm is what they have mentioned, right. So multi-location hiring, Sasken, they're hiring like 2022 2021 engineering and MCA graduates. Those are interested can apply for this, okay. So here again, salary you can expect around like 4.5 lakhs, around that you can expect for this particular role, okay. Now next one, now this is only for the computer science graduates, okay, but the good option, Hitachi, they are hiring like freshers, graduates 2022 passed outs. Now location Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, okay. So 3 locations, right. This is also recently posted information, but only like computer science engineering, okay. So even like when I say computer science engineering, even like IT and related branches can also like closely related to computer science can also try, but with a minimum of like 70%. You should have strong domain knowledge and experience, a talent for coding and programming, problem solving and analytical skills, etc. is what they have mentioned, right. So multiple location, Hitachi hiring CSE IT graduates, engineering graduates, you can 2022 passed outs can apply for this. Now next one, Zoho, they are hiring software developer for the Chennai location. Now this is through the Unstaff portal. Again, this was posted recently. The end date is like 8th of October. So you should be like familiar with the software development life cycle. You'll be involved with that and so on, right. So those interested can apply for this Zoho hiring software developer. This is also recently posted information. Cognizant, they're hiring software engineer for their Chennai location, again recently posted, okay. Now here the requirement is like Java and core Java, okay. So this is for like engineering graduates only. Zoho, no constraint was given, but here it's mentioned this is for the engineering graduates, okay. So if you are into Java, core Java, then you can give it a try. Chennai location, the salary you can expect like more than like 4 lakhs for this, right. Now next one, software engineer hiring from Cisco. Now they have given like new graduates. So new graduate, when it comes to Cisco, they usually, when they say new graduate, it is the final year students, okay. So which means like now it should be like 2023, though it is not really mentioned here, right. But if you are if you have solid understanding of computer science fundamentals and software engineering with an aptitude for learning new technologies, you can give it a try. So this is for the most likely 2023 graduates, but you should have like strong knowledge of programming and scripting languages like Python, okay. So and most often they hire like CSE, IT and related branches only. So this is also I mean, earlier I had posted similar information from their careers page. Now this is through Unstop portal, recently posted information, so I thought I'll share it here. So those who are interested can give it a try. Now Amazon, they are hiring, like a cloud support associate. Okay, now this is through the Unstop portal. Now location is Hyderabad, so who can apply, like 2022 2021 graduates, BE, CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, or like MCA graduates can apply for this. Now if you have like troubleshooting support experience, that's good. Okay, so programming, scripting, if not like real experience, at least a hands-on experience on Java or Perl, Ruby, C hash, or PHP would be good, right? So cloud support associate, AWS, they're hiring cloud support associate, so that's a good role. Hyderabad, right? Then you have, like CGI, they are hiring junior developer for their Bangalore location. The last day, this is to Unstop portal, and this is the last date is 8th of October. And if you are a BE graduate trained in Microsoft CRM, okay, and should have basic knowledge in SQL Server, basic .NET concept, good analytical and technical skills. Okay, so if you have these skills, you can give it this try CGI hiring a junior developer for their Bangalore location, right? And then like you have VMware, they are hiring big data engineer for their like multiple locations. Okay, so VMware, they're hiring big data engineer for multiple locations. So the requirement here is knowledge of re-architecting, maintaining and sustaining the big data processing platform, enjoy digging into complex systems, identifying problems and working to quickly resolve, and so on. Okay, knowledge of data analysis, system management and cloud computing, and the customer experiences in everything you construct, etc., is what they have mentioned. So those who are interested can give it a try. Okay, so I think this will be mostly, though they mentioned graduate, this will be like mostly applicable for the engineering graduates with the particular knowledge in data analysis, system management, cloud computing, etc. So those who are eligible and willing can give this a try, right? Now with this, I've almost come to the end of this video. Now I just want to give a reminder that this information that I posted earlier, okay, the CTC is actually like 4 lakhs per annum. Once you know, like after the training period, it is like 4 lakhs per annum. During the training period, it is 3 lakhs per annum. Capgemini, they are hiring like network engineer. The last date, why I'm sharing this now, the last day to apply is just 2 days. Okay, like 20th of September is the last day to apply for this. Any engineering graduate, MCA graduates from 2020, 2021 and 2022. So these 3 batches can apply for this role. Okay, so only location is limited. Okay, but like 3 batches, any specialization of BE, B.Tech can apply, MCA can also apply, 3 batches. So those who are interested can try this. Now this is through the Superset portal. Okay, so with this I come to the end of this video. Now I hope the information that I have provided here was useful to you. If you like the information that I have shared here, please click on the like button and share it with your friends who may need it. And if you have any queries, please post your questions in the comment section below. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching the video.